Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus Ace freebie to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both of them and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on OK or select Not Now and then hit OK. Either way, now tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on OnePlus, using all of those categories available at the top, you can finally select all of your files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait as well. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!